Hi everyone and welcome to Studio de Sol. My name is Lena and in today's video I'm gonna try to recreate some Halloween makeup looks by Instagram makeup artists. So let's get started. Alright, this is gonna be my first makeup look. I already have the foundation on my face and then I'm just following up the video, which I'm gonna link down below. This is my second makeup look, and here I already have my makeup on, so I'm just removing one of my eyelashes and applying the paper towel with the school glue. And this is the final look for this video. I already have the foundation on, so what I'm doing is just applying the rhinestones and some of the eyeshadows. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment below which look was your favorite, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.